Hello, I'm Dr Gareth Moore and I'm a puzzle and brain training author. And this is...
Laura Jane Ayres.
And in this video, we're not going to be writing puzzles, are we? We're going to be solving a game. And in particular this, it's called the H puzzle. And we're going to try and solve it.
So if you've seen any of our videos before, you may have spotted that we once solved a T puzzle, which I had solved before and I had challenged Gareth. It was a Christmas present that I bought for him and I thought I will just ruin his life by giving him an impossible puzzle to solve.
It looks easy, it says.
It does look easy, but it's not.
So we need to make this letter H. I don't know if this is to scale. Well, I mean, it's accurate. But we need to put these together to make an H.
Out of these 6 pieces.
Now, what I remember about solving the T is possibly going to be helpful for this.
Yes, same. Because in the T puzzle, this cutout bit, it looked like it was going to fit in like that in some way, but actually that was part of the top of the T.
Yes.
Like that.
And it was diagonal, wasn't it?
It was diagonal.
So we have 6 pieces. Shall I zoom out a little bit so we can see them a bit better? Right, now, do you want to start fiddling with it, or shall I start fiddling? That sounds very wrong. But if we put this like that, maybe that's the top of an H?
Are these 2 identical pieces?
Where?
No,
they are. If you
they
turn,
are.
Well, then what
Oh
do you do
yeah,
that?
of course, yeah.
Oh, they're not the same length.
Size. No, they are.
Oh, they are.
Ooh,
Okay.
I think effectively they are. So
Maybe
they're the same.
Maybe the puzzle is symmetrical. And these 2 are the same, within the tolerances of whoever cut them out. And these 2 are the same.
They are.
So basically we need to do half an H
So
twice.
is it 2 T's? In which case this is going to be very easy.
It might be 2 T's. How do we do that?
So the T was like...
It was like that, and then one down the middle, right? Like this or something.
Yeah, or a bit more like that. And then...
A bit like that, right? Does that then... That doesn't then go there, though,
But
does
it
it?
doesn't then go there. But if we had this like this, and then this like this... No, can you see what I'm attempting?
Yeah, does that go... There we go, we failed.
Nailed
it.
I feel like we're almost there, and then it's just like that, and it's absolutely seamless.
Yes, well, I mean, we have basically now finished, I think. There we go, made an H.
Smashed it.
It doesn't look quite right, though.
It doesn't look quite right. There's something is amiss, but I like that as a start. Although I anticipate
it can't be right,
can't actually be correct.
No. So perhaps these two do. If these 2 were to fit together, how would they fit? There's no way they can fit in the middle, is there?
They would create a very long piece, whatever they did.
So, and that can't be right. And that can't be right. So there can't be any diagonals that aren't completely subsumed within it, right? So if that was in the middle,
Good use of
so this is either in one of the vertical struts or it's across the middle. If it's
Good use of struts.
if it was in the middle, I don't see how it can possibly create. If that was horizontal, I don't see how this is going to be resolved into anything. Do you?
So I strongly suspect that these indented bits are actually not where another piece fits, but are one of these 4.
Oh, right, yes, that makes a lot of sense.
Which is what we were just doing just now.
Yeah. But can that go across the middle? Maybe that's...
Wait, what if we have... Can you have that like that?
That's going to be the same problem.
Yes, I don't mean that, do I? I'm trying to think of a way of...
We flip it. We can, of course, flip them over. So,
I'm trying to look at this. So if that's the bottom of it. This is what I've just done anyway, isn't it? On the other side.
Yeah, then flip this over like that. Wait, I'm very confused.
So this has got to be an indent of something. Can it be...
If you rotate that vertically, at the same angle as this, yeah.
No, that's not going to do anything, is it?
Well, it would make a very narrow H.
If you moved it further down.
But what if we rotated that like this?
Yeah.
Is that going to help?
Yes. Yes, it is.
There we go.
We've done it.
It is symmetrical then. Yeah,
Sort of symmetrical.
Well, I mean...
It's rotational.
It's got rotational symmetry order 2, in terms of how the pieces are arranged. There we go, it's done.
Smashed it!
I mean, you basically did the hard work there, but I do feel that we made that harder than it was.
Well, I think we were at an advantage there by knowing how the T puzzle worked, which we'll link somewhere in this video.
Yeah.
By knowing that is actually not a slot for another piece to go in, but is in fact part of the outer shape.
There we go. Well, there we go. That's the letter H video.
Hooray!
If you enjoyed that, let us know in the comments down below.
Perhaps tell us your favourite word beginning with H.
Yes.
Like hello.
Or hippopotamus.
Horticulture.
Or I've run out of words beginning with H.
I know, I'm struggling now.
Honk.
Hello?
Honolulu.
I already said that.
Holy.
Hawaii.
Hail.
Hairnet.
This is fun.
Right?
But if you would like to leave your own favourite words from H, just as Laura said, do feel free. Also, maybe some other comments. Like the video if you haven't yet, because why wouldn't you? And do please subscribe to the channel. And on the strength of that, why wouldn't you? But we look forward to seeing you in a future video. But until one of those, all it remains for me to say goodbye.
And for me to say goodbye.
Bye.